The Maharashtra Chief Minister has now ordered a 5 lakh rupee compensation, but the opposition has hit out, claiming that if citizens are not even safe while walking, then where will they go? The Sena, which is in charge of the BMC, claims an audit was ordered, but no repair work was done. So, who is responsible and who will pay for this killer apathy?
If ministers are serious, if this government is serious, if this government wants to assure the people of Mumbai that they are safe, if a Mumbaikar is not safe on a bridge, where are they safe?
Milind Deora, the Congress candidate from South Mumbai, took just a few seconds to break his word. It is election season and Netas queued up to visit the accident spot. Politics was but expected. Among the first to reach was Maharashtra Minister Vinod Tavre.
Audit was carried out. It was minor fault was there. It was to be corrected. So everything will be found out after the inquiry.
There were no signs.
It doesn't help Tavre that the agency in question here is the BMC, controlled by the BJP and Shiv Sena. The BJP ally, caught in a tough spot, obviously pleaded that politics be kept out of this bridge tragedy.
Why you ask for a political issue here? Don't make it political.
But the call clearly fell on deaf ears.
The government has to assure the citizens that they're safe. They have to file an FIR against guilty officers, against guilty contractors and auditors. That's the only way they can give some guarantee to Mumbaikar.
एल्फिस्टन रोड का जब ब्रिज गिरा तब वहाँ पहुँचे थे, हमने देखे थे लाशों के ढेर लग गए थे। तब भी हमने सरकार को कहा था कि जितने भी इस तरह के मुंबई में ब्रिजेस है उसकी मरम्मत की जाए जल्दी से जल्दी, मगर सरकार के कान में जू तक नहीं रेंगी।
Amid the outrage, Maharashtra Chief Minister Fadnavis announced 5 lakh rupees in compensation for the families of the dead and a quick probe into the bridge collapse.
इस पुल का भी स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट किया गया था और जो जानकारी मुझे कमिश्नर ने दी है उसमें इसको स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट में फिट पाया गया और कुछ माइनर रिपेयर्स कहे गए थे। उसके बावजूद अगर ये पुल गिरता है और इतनी भीषण दुर्घटना होती है तो कहीं ना कहीं ये स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट के ऊपर भी एक प्रश्न चिन्ह निर्माण होता है और इसकी भी जांच की जाएगी।
This is not the first time that killer negligence has taken lives in Mumbai. The CST bridge collapse is the 5th bridge collapse in the last decade.
Maximum apathy in maximum city is a cliche. It has been used as a headline many times. Sadly, it captures the apathy of the ruling class best. With Pankaj Upadhyay and Divyesh Singh in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.